On March 11th, 1888, at dawn, New York City was buried alive, and the storm showed no mercy. It began as a normal winter morning. The streets were quiet, the snow falling softly. Nothing could prepare the city for what was coming. By the afternoon, winds screamed at over 50 miles per hour and snow piled higher than buildings. Trains were trapped, streets disappeared, telegraph lines collapsed. The city was cut off from the world. Over 400 people froze to death in just 3 days, helpless against the storm's fury. Rooftops vanished under icy drifts. Entire streets became unrecognizable. The city was frozen in silence, trapped beneath a white nightmare. When the snow finally melted on March 14th, the disaster had forced America to rethink its cities. Underground tunnels became a necessity. One storm, one weekend, changed history forever.